friends. Oh, let me remove the mask as no one is here. So, friends, welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road, and namaste everyone. So, today we'll be visiting Velankani and Vikrant. So, we'll be going to Gorai, and my motorcycle is ready, you can see. So, we'll be seeing how they start painting the boat, that is reverse painting. So today will be the basic things, so I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. So friends, we have reached Gorai, and this is the Gorai village, and this is the place we are entering. This is the place where the fishing boats are built, and I am very thankful to Mr. Clyde Hendricks because he's my friend, and he gave me this opportunity to show to the world that how reverse painting is done on the fishing boats. And today we'll be meeting Velankani and Vikrant. Both will be on their job. So this video will be a very interesting because this paint usually when you paint a boat because of the sea water, the paint goes off and it gets peeled off, but this paint will remain forever. These paintings, I mean not the paint, but these paintings will remain forever on the boat. So this is the place, beautiful place with lot of coconut trees, and you can see a beautiful house, and I'll be taking you to the place where they are constructing the boat. So friends, a person is here who is the owner of this boat which is going to be constructed. So तुमचं नाव?
माझं नाव लॉयड एलायस बांडे.
So his name is Lloyd Elias Bande. So they are original fishermen from this Gorai. This is the village which is known as Gorai, and here the construction work is going on. So he is the owner of this boat which is to be constructed. So he is an East Indian, and किती लहानपणापासून राहता?
लहानपणापासून.
So he is staying here from his childhood, and हे कसं विचार केलं, म्हणजे बोट बांधायचं कसं वाटलं तुम्हाला? म्हणजे आहे तुमची आधी बोट?
आमच्या आधी आहे.
आधी आहे,
पूर्वीपासूनच आहे घरी बोट.
ओके.
बरीच वर्ष झाली.
हां हां. सो ही हॅज ए फिशिंग बोट, बट ही डिसाइडेड, म्हणजे तुम्ही विचार केला की एक नवीन करायचं
बोट बांधू. आता कशा बोट म्हणजे आता छोट्या होतात, म्हणून विचार केला का ते नवीन मोठी बोट बांधू.
ओके ओके. सो व्हॉट ही सेज दॅट ही हॅड ए स्मॉल बोट, so he decided why not we have a bigger boat so that he can have a bigger catch, and he also he can go deep inside the sea. बरोबर ना, समुद्रात आत जाता येईल. So he is the owner, so we'll see him. Let me see how they are doing, and let me take you inside. धन्यवाद. Right?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So these are all fiberglass molds. So this is the mold, and here comes this is what you saw is the side of the boat, and then because this boat is not a wooden boat, it has some wooden things, but here it is a fiberglass boat. So here is the middle section of the boat, and what you see here is the back side of the boat. So here is the back of the boat. So you can see how big it is. As you can see, that person who is doing something, he is so small in this huge boat. So friends, these are the primary colors which they will be using to do the painting on the boat, and it will be very interesting. The things which they use for doing the drawing. So here I am showing you a person. There are two of them, two great artists, and he is Mr. Velankani, and I told you about his childhood. Now he is here. He is doing a outline of the painting. So this is the outline which will be coming on the side of the boat. So Velankani will be showing you how it is done. So he is doing it now. What he is doing is he is putting some ह्याला काय म्हणतात tapes. No?
Still with tape.
So he is
Wire tape.
okay. So he is putting the tapes, and here there is one more person. Now here they have done some drawings. So they are doing with hand. Now he is doing here. So he is hello, sang to the
Hello.
now.
I'm Vikrant by the
I know. So Vikrant is here. What he is doing a tracing so that both the sides will have the equal dimensions. So this is on the right. What you see is on the right side of the boat, and that is the left side of the boat. I will show you here. So this is the left side of the boat. So this is this is the outer mold. So what they will be doing is reverse painting. So this is something mind-blowing, because I told you in one earlier video that I will be showing you something which is mind-blowing. So this is just, you see this and remember this, and how it will come I will tell you. There are some drawings here also. So this is the outline what he has done. So friends, what he is showing, this is a chemical. काय नाव सांगितलं याचं? पिवे. हां. आणि तुमचं नाव? Sunil Joshi. He is Mr. Sunil Joshi. What they do is, this thing they apply to this body, the outer side of the mold. So this they apply here, and then they join these two sections. These two sections what you see will be joined together, and then they will be putting the fiberglass. So this is the whole section what you see. This is how it looks from here. Here Vikrant is doing a tracing of the side panels. So here he has cut cardboard, and so that every design will look symmetrical here. Friends, what you saw is how they mark the straight lines so that it should be geometrically correct, and then he will put the this is the way they do it. Friends, so what I am showing you, what he is doing, you may think this is an ordinary thing which he is doing, but he is doing this. It is a traditional symbol of every fishing boat in this area, that is Uttan, Gorai and Manori. So every boat will have this symbol, and this is named as Chand. Chand means moon, but when you go to Vasai, that side, they call it lotus. Because in Hindi it is called Kamal, in Marathi also Kamal. But in this area, every boat will have this. So this Chand will be, that is moon, will be on every boat, wherever you see in this area. So this is the fisherman's traditional symbol. Friends, this symbol will have only 4 particular colors. That is red, white, blue,
and saffron.
Narangi. So this will have only 4 colors and different patterns. So that is about this symbol, and very auspicious for the fishermen, and they always put it on their boats. Is doing, he is applying a chemical called releaser. So this will release the mold and the actual the boat will be here. So this painting will stick to the boat. We have started doing the artwork. So this is paint and this is pigments, no? So these are pigments, and this is a special one, not oil paint what he is doing. So this is used for painting the boats. Otherwise the color won't be that strong.
कलर कोणासाठी काय करते ते जेलकोट मध्ये ते पिगमेंट टाकतात.
So what you get is it's a gel where they add the pigments and then you get this colors. So they mix and they get different other colors also. But these are the basic colors. So you can see red, navy blue, and then there is light green, and then blue, saffron, then the other shade of green, white, black, red, same colors. There is a brown here and yellow and white. So these are the colors which they will be using for their artwork. He is selecting the brushes, and here he has started. So he has started applying the paint. So friends, I am telling you about reverse painting. Now you can see what he is doing. Let me go to another one. I'll tell you what it is. So you see here, this is an exact diagonal. Okay. Now he will apply on that also, but now he has applied on that. But when the final thing comes out, because this is a mold, the actual paint will be on the other side. So the paint will stick to the fiberglass, and what you see is this colors, what is mismatched and all that won't be seen. Except that diagonal thing can be seen on the outer side. That is called reverse painting. I'll be explaining you more about this when they do the bigger one. So when they do the other one back side, there I will be showing you how they do this. So this is called a reverse painting. So what we do is, first we do the base, then we do this. But here first they did this one and then they are doing this. I'll show you when they do a scenery or something like that over there. Friends, you may think this is damaged. The diagonal thing cannot be seen. But it should be like this. But no, when the final thing comes out, I'll show you the same thing on the boat. So how it is, because that will be the other side. So the back side. Actually, this is the inside of the thing. The outer side will be perfect. So I'll be showing you what it is later on.